Hello YouTube. Don't eat at night. Late dinners can increase cancer risk by 25%. The tradition to sit down at the table closer to the night exists in many families. It is often impossible to gather the whole family for dinner earlier. But, unfortunately, this habit cannot be called healthy. Eating after 9 p.m. can be disastrous for our health. According to experts from the Barcelona Institute for Global Health, they found that this is because our metabolism starts to slow down in the evening, but food will make it speed up again. How dinner time affects the body. This affects the body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, and disruption of this rhythm increases the likelihood of developing prostate and breast cancer. Previous research has shown that eating out of sync with the circadian rhythm can increase the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and overweight. Spanish researchers studied the diet and lifestyle of 621 patients with prostate cancer, 1,205 people with breast cancer and 2,193 people who did not have cancer. They found that those who went to bed 2 or more hours after dinner reduced their risk of developing cancer by 20%. Conversely, those who went to bed within 2 hours of eating had a 25% increased risk of developing cancer. Most of the research in diet and cancer focuses on how food can increase or decrease your chances of developing a deadly disease. Professor Manolis Kojivinas, who led the study, said, "If these results are confirmed, they will have major implications for recommendations regarding the timing of the last meal." The results are published in the International Journal of Cancer. How to align your diet with the circadian rhythm diet. Some experts believe that by aligning your nutrition with your circadian rhythm, you can help maximize weight loss, energy, and overall health. Eat with the sun. Experts say you should only eat when the sun is shining. This is because some scientists believe that the sun sets our circadian rhythm. Our rhythm suggests that we eat during the day when the sun is shining and not eat at night. This is due to the fact that for long periods of history we did not have electricity and light bulbs. Ideally, this means that there should be 12 hours between the last meal of the day and the first meal of the next day, which is very similar to intermittent fasting, which has proven to be effective in the fight against excess weight. Eat more early and less later. Make breakfast and lunch the biggest meal of the day and dinner the smallest. You should receive about 75% of your meals by 3 p.m. Eat your dinner for breakfast or lunch. Try eating dinner foods for breakfast or lunch, like a plate of pasta or chicken with vegetables. This is because eating more for breakfast will make you feel fuller throughout the day, which means you're likely to snack less. An example of a daily diet, taking into account these recommendations. For breakfast, whole grain pasta with vegetables such as broccoli or cabbage. For lunch, salmon with vegetable side dishes such as carrots. For dinner, a large salad with mixed vegetables, walnuts and pumpkin seeds. However, there are studies that disprove the idea that your metabolism is controlled by the circadian rhythm. Scottish researchers found that meal timing did not affect weight loss. They found that the metabolism burns as many calories in the evening as it does in the morning. Researchers say the only benefit of eating more food in the morning is that you are less hungry throughout the day, which means you snack less. But, if by eating more in the morning, you manage to get rid of cravings for snacks, then this will already be a significant achievement. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.